Hello, I'm Norbert from Thetford, and here we are at the Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and I'm going to show you our new separation toilet. This separation toilet, which will be introduced next summer, is based on our C220 and C260 toilets, and you can buy either a complete new toilet or a separation kit, which helps you to transform a cassette toilet to a diverting toilet. Come have a look inside. Don't worry, it's not too dirty. You see here where you separate the waste. On the back side, where you see the hole, there's this patented part which you can easily open and close. It's a blade, and the blade helps us to divide to separate the waste, and also to make sure that you don't need to look at the waste when it's actually there. And on the back side, you see this other patented part, the green part over there, which is the connection between the tube and the urine bowl. Important part, because you need to disconnect and connect pretty often, and current systems in the market actually show a lot of leakages, which is not that nice. So this will be our new introduction as from next summer 2025. Also interesting, where current suppliers offer it for roughly 1,200 euros. The kit, we will offer it for 599, and the full toilet will be around 850 euros. So as from next summer 2025, the new Thetford separation toilet.